You've probably been told your whole life that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis, but is that actually true? Surprisingly, no. Scientists have studied this for years and haven't found good evidence that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. So, what's the popping sound? It's not your bones rubbing together. Inside your joints is a slippery fluid with tiny gases dissolved in it. When you stretch the joint quickly, those gases form a bubble that pops, making the cracking sound. Some people who crack their knuckles a lot might have slightly weaker grip strength or temporary swelling, but not arthritis. So the next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles because you'll get arthritis, you can tell them that's actually a myth. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down a myth I should test next.